In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an unsubscribe link in Brevo. If you're managing email campaigns, having an unsubscribe link is not just a best practice, it's essential for compliance and maintaining a healthy subscriber list. Let's dive right into it. First, you want to head over to brevo.com. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the marketing section. This is where all of your campaign-related activities are managed, and it's the hub for creating and editing your email campaigns. Now, within the marketing section, click on Campaigns. This will bring up a list of all your existing campaigns. Take a moment to locate the specific campaign you wish to add the unsubscribe link to. Once you have found it, look for the edit icon adjacent to the campaign title and give it a click. This will open up the editing interface where you can make changes to your campaign. With the campaign now open for editing, focus on the design aspect. Click on Edit Design. This will take you to the editing area where you can modify the text and layout of your email. It's important to ensure that the design captures the essence of your message while also being user-friendly. Here, click on the text area where you would like to place your unsubscribe link and highlight the text. This could be something simple like, click here to unsubscribe. Highlighting the text is crucial as it allows us to attach the necessary functionality to it. Next, look at the top of your editing interface and click on Add Link. This is where you can turn that highlighted text into a functional link. Once you click Add Link, a menu will appear where you can configure the type of link you want to add. From the link type options, select Unsubscribe Link Global. This option is designed to universally manage unsubscribe requests across your entire mailing list, ensuring that any user who clicks it will be removed from future mailings. After selecting the unsubscribe link type, you'll need to choose a default custom page. This is the page your subscribers will see after they have clicked the unsubscribe link. You can use the default settings provided by Brevo, or if you have a custom page prepared, you can select that option. It's a good idea to have a page that is clear and thanks the subscriber for their time with you. Finally, after all these selections, click Insert to add the link to your email. With the unsubscribe link now embedded, make sure to review your email design to ensure everything looks good and that the link is positioned correctly. It's always a good practice to send a test email to yourself or a colleague to verify that the unsubscribe process works smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully added an unsubscribe link to your Brevo email campaign. This simple addition will help you maintain compliance and keep your audience happy by respecting their preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your email marketing strategies. Thanks for watching.